I would like to ask you about the Swiss perspective about this capacity building program, the AI apprenticeship.
Well, I cannot give a Swiss perspective. I can give my personal perspective as a Swiss citizen. And I'm definitely not an expert on AI, but I'm very proud of the Swiss tradition of apprenticeships. It's highly regarded in Switzerland that the youngsters don't need to go to university to get a better education, but they can learn a job by having an apprenticeship. And I think this AI apprenticeships are very much in this Swiss tradition. And what I heard from people who finished their courses, they came up with amazing results on how better to understand small things or big things like UN reform, which is a huge thing, but actually putting it on an AI program will make life much easier for people dealing with these policy issues.
And maybe when academia could have more of this and less theoretical and more hands-on approach in this rapidly changing times.
Well, this is the thing. We don't know where it will lead us, but we do know it will have a big impact, and it will have an impact also on jobs. And obviously, people will have to learn how to handle with AI and how to adapt to AI for their jobs. Some clerical jobs may well disappear, and it may need a lower level of competence to do what before was a higher level of competence to carry out the job. But hence, training with AI at a very early stage is very important.
What can you tell us about your experience in the program?
So I was very pleased taking the AI apprenticeship in the sense that it allowed me to gain some theoretical insights about how AI works. It also worked with AI on the basis of Diplo's platform, through which I built an AI assistant. I built mine around UN reform. And I thought it was an excellent way of cutting through some of the complexities related to UN reform and kind of helping me with concrete advice in some of the daily work I do.
Is it being used right now? I know it's new that you created your agents, but will you continue to use it, or like will the office be using it?
That is an open question. So I sent it to various people to test it, and the feedback was positive. But of course, as diplomats, we have certain restrictions, also challenges working with new technologies. So for now, I think it was an interesting experiment and sounding board to see what kind of output such an AI agent can give us.
How does it feel? I'm not just receiving theoretical information, but learning by building.
Great. I think it's the way to go. In order to understand AI, you have to work with AI. So I think the course has the right approach in this sense.
What can we expect in the third iteration of the program?
Learning by doing. That's the key of the apprenticeship. They learn about neural networks and different AI technologies by developing their own AI agents. They can touch AI and they can experience and they can see that AI is not mysterious technology, but affordable tool that they can use in their daily work. We will promote more AI agents that can help them daily work here in Geneva, internationally, in diplomacy, in negotiations, and other related activities.
What is the one task that you would never trust an AI assistant with?
Well, I trust AI but verify. And it's a useful tool, it's good servant but bad master. And I always use it, for example, in my research, for background research as a research assistant, but never to draw the conclusions. Conclusions are for me or for humans, and therefore that would be something that we should keep as our niche.
So human oversight is key.
Human oversight, human creativity, input with the help of AI.